Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door Abhilash. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar Swiss franc USD CHF for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You will see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay, so this is the chart of US dollar Swiss franc USD CHF, and so we can say that officially the party is over now. Market was in beautiful uptrend. It was taking support at the 50 moving average. It was like a fairy tale, and the fairy tale is over now. Okay, so if we skip the uptrend part, and if I show you, just look at this portion. Okay, you can easily tell that right now market is flat, market is dull, not much movement, and the party is over. Okay, so it's a clear indication. So what should we do then? As you can see, I have drawn two lines here. Okay, let me take out a pencil. This is the resistance and this is the support. Okay, as market was in uptrend, so we will not be looking for any shorting opportunity. If market crosses or breaches these support also, we will not short the market right away, because see, overall the trend of the market is up. Okay, so shorting the market right away will not be a wise decision. Okay, so we should understand the market first, then only we should go for executing the order. So in case market crosses this level, we will not short the market, so this is not an option. Okay, secondly, if market trades in this range, okay, this range, we will not trade. This is our no trading zone. Okay, as I have already mentioned in my previous videos, that it is your hard-earned money, and your hard-earned money does not deserve a market like this, a flat market like this. And sadly, most of the important currency pairs are kinda in a range or in a sideways market. Therefore, we need to wait. Patience is a virtue. Okay, waiting for the perfect opportunity is also a part of the business. Okay, you need to understand the discipline of a trader. Okay, without discipline we cannot succeed. Okay, so this is a part of the discipline. Right now the market is not in our favor, so we will wait. Okay, we will just wait, because before this waiting period, market has given us plenty and we have made good money. Okay, so right now we will just wait as long as market is trading in this range. Okay, we will only look for a buying opportunity once it crosses this level. Okay, this level, this resistance. If market crosses this level, okay, then we will wait for 3 to 4 hours and just try to understand the market psychology. If we see that yes, market has given us a breakout and it is trading comfortably above the resistance for 3 to 4 hours, okay, then it will be clear to us that the resistance has become the support now. Okay, and once the resistance becomes the support, we can easily go for a buy order here. But till then, we will have to wait as long as market is in this range. So market is flat right now, so let's wait. So this is the analysis for USD CHF for 23rd March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And see you tomorrow then. All the best, good luck, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Good luck.